But at the moment, it's actually sliding a lot worse, and I'll show you why and how to fix that. And check out how good it slides. Super quiet, one finger. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to protect your timber floors from sliding chairs. Now these are some kitchen chairs on a nice timber floor. I'll show you what's currently on the bottom of this one. So if I flip that one upside down, as you can see, get some focus, this one's got some plastic studs just nailed into the bottom of the feet, like that. So 4 little plastic studs right there. I'll show you how to improve that, because these still can scratch your floor. They don't slide too badly, but we'll test before and after as well and compare it to a different chair. Let's get into it. Okay, first the slide test. So that's just got the bare plastic feet. Let's pull that one out and see how it slides. Now it should slide pretty good. Slides very easy, but I can just tell that it's putting some slight marking on that timber floor, and eventually you'll get some bit deeper marks once you get some gunk under there as well. No good for your timber floors. Now this one here, I did this probably maybe a couple of years ago now. I put some felt on the bottom of this one, little felt pads that you can get from the big brand stores, but at the moment it's actually sliding a lot worse, and I'll show you why and how to fix that. So I'm pushing this with one finger. It does not slide at all. Now this one here, I've just rejuvenated, popped some new felt pads onto it, and check out how good it slides. Super quiet, one finger. Slides around, no problem at all. All right, so let's take a look at the ones that I pre-felted before. I'll lift that up and I'll give you a squeeze and show you what it looks like now after a couple of years and why we need to change them. Okay, so here's the one that I've just re-felted. Nice and slippery, nice and furry. And this one right here, check this out. That is just full of gunk. It just collects up over a couple of years. Doesn't matter how clean you keep your floors. Look at that, that one's actually missing. This one here, bit worse for wear. So what we'll do is pop those off and we'll put some fresh ones on. Now I actually found this set at Aldi, my local Aldi. Pretty good, not cheap actually. They were still about 15 bucks I reckon. So these aren't cheap even from Aldi. You can get them from Bunnings, probably online as well, a bit cheaper. But they are actually pretty good quality. They do last a long time. So you've got a selection here. I've already put 4 on that replacement chair. As you can tell, they're quite thick. Pretty good quality, and the stickiness as well, very good. That's what you want as well. So the stickiness, very good. So let's rip these ones off here and we shall replace them and see how it runs. So all you need, I'm just using an old knife. Just prop that underneath the old tab. I'm doing this one-handed, so not very easy at all, but it should come off pretty good. There we go. That's one-handed. They were stuck on really well. But yeah, that does look pretty gross. Let's grab a new one. And this is pretty clean. That's good. We'll just whack a new one straight on top of there. Press it down. There we go, ready to go. Let's do the next one. Geez, they haven't put that on very straight, have they? Make sure the blade's pointing away from you. 2 hands is much better, but they do pop off pretty easy. Look at that. Disgusting. All right, number 2. Straight on there like so. All right. So that's how you do it, as easy as that. I'll do the other 2 and we'll give it a new slide test. So last one to go on right there. There we go, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's get this on the ground and give it a slide test. So here we go, this is the one that was very noisy and didn't slide very good. And now, look at that. Slides in and out like a dream. We can't even make it flip up, it just wants to slide. So there you go. That's how you put some felt tips or felt circles or squares. Actually, I don't think they come in squares. They're all circles. So yeah, felt circles, in particular from Aldi, on your kitchen chairs. And they slide bloody awesome. Beauty. So here we go. This is the one that was very noisy and didn't slide very good. And now, look at that. Slides in and out like a dream. We can't even make it flip up. It just wants to slide. So there you go. That's how you put some felt tips or felt circles or squares. Actually, I don't think they come in squares. They're all circles. So yeah, felt circles, in particular from Aldi, on your kitchen chairs. And they slide bloody awesome. Beauty.